Hey Thomas, what did Santa bring you?
This.
He brought you that. Oh, wow.
It's food time.
It's food time. Are you making breakfast?
Yeah. Yeah. I sure am.
You sure are. That's great. Oh, wow. Look, there's an oven.
It's the oven.
Yeah, you can cook pizza.
Yeah, these are pizza. It's pizza. And this is right.
Yeah, that's your refrigerator.
It's my refrigerator. And this.
Yeah. What else did you get?
And this.
That's a pot holder.
This. It's dinner time.
Is it dinner time?
Yeah.
What's next to the kitchen? What else did you get?
A plate. And this is a plate. And
Did you get a workbench like Daddy's?
yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Did you play with the hammer already and the screwdrivers?
It's dinner time.
Oh, you're making dinner. Okay. That sounds yummy. What you making?
Cookies.
Cookies. That sounds like a wonderful dinner.
No, this need to cook in the oven. This need to cook in the oven.
Yeah.
And this is need to cook in the oven. And this is cookie need to cook in the oven. And this is keep this. And this is need to go in the oven. And this is and this.
I think that's for bread. I think that's a bread basket.
Daddy,
Wow!
I'm making dinner. I'm making dinner.
You are? I want some spaghetti and meatballs.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Yes, spaghetti and meatballs.
I'm making, and this is hot. This is hot.
That's the refrigerator. I think it's cold. Ooh.
Are you in it? Good. Spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh boy.
Here we go. Let's go spaghetti and meatballs.
Thank you so much.
I need to give you a spoon. There's a spoon for you.
Thank you.
I need to make mine. This is a knife.
Oh boy, be careful.
This is a knife.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm making my dinner.
What are you gonna make?
I'm making this one.
What is Thomas gonna make to eat?
I'm making and these. I say the platter. What's this?
That is cinnamon.
And what's this?
That is oregano.
What's this?
Parsley.
And what's this?
That's chili powder.
And what's this?
That is mustard.
Thomas, can you sing Jingle Bells?
Jingle bell, jingle bell. This.
Look, can we sing Jingle Bells?
This.
Okay, we're too
I'm
busy.
making dinner mine.
Okay.
Did you see what happens when you boil your water?
I make the coffee and this is a beer.
You can make everything, can't you?
Okay, Thomas, can you say a big Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Can you look at Mommy and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, we're going to heat up the hot chocolate.
Yeah. I had a hot sauce that was this.